Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you all will be fine. We are doing unit number 8, heat. And in our previous lesson, we have discussed difference between temperature and heat. Today we will do reading of page number 78 and page number 79. Let's start our today's lesson. Thermometer. How do we know that the temperature is high or low? An instrument called a thermometer is used to measure the temperature. A thermometer is made of transparent glass. At one end of the thermometer there is a bulb. This bulb contains a liquid which can be mercury or alcohol. When the air around the thermometer gets hot, the liquid inside the thermometer begins to expand. It moves upwards inside the tube. When the air is cold, the liquid contracts and moves downwards. Let's start the explanation. What is thermometer? Thermometer is an instrument that is used to measure the temperature. And with the help of thermometer, we know that what is the temperature, it is high or it is low. This is a thermometer. You can see there is a bulb at the one end of thermometer, and this bulb contains a liquid. This bulb has a liquid in it. This liquid may be mercury or alcohol. And we can identify the liquid in the thermometer based on its color. If there is a silver liquid in a thermometer, it indicates that there is a mercury, while red colored liquid is alcohol, to which red coloring has been added. And when there is a hot air around the thermometer, the liquid inside the thermometer begins to expand and it moves upward. That shows that temperature is increasing. If there is hot air around the thermometer, this liquid starts moving upward. That shows that temperature is increasing. If there is cold air around the thermometer, then this liquid begins to contract and it moves downwards. That shows that temperature is decreasing. If there is cold air, this liquid starts moving downward. That shows that temperature is decreasing. Do you know your normal body temperature is about 37 degrees Celsius, but it will be higher if you are ill. Your temperature stays the same whether the day is very hot or very cold. Can you remember why? It is because humans, along with other mammals, are warm-blooded. Our normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. And if this temperature is high, it means we are ill. And our body temperature remains the same whether the day is very hot or very cold, because we are warm-blooded, and warm-blooded animals, humans, mammals, they all can maintain their body temperature constant. Next, reading the marks on the thermometer. There are markings called a scale along the sides of the glass tube of a thermometer. We measure temperature by reading these marks. Each mark on the thermometer is equal to 1 degree. These are read onto different scales, Celsius and Fahrenheit. The Celsius scale is also called centigrade, and we write it like this: degree centigrade. On the Celsius scale, ice melts at 0 degree centigrade. On the Fahrenheit scale, the melting point of ice is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Similarly, pure water boils at 100 degree on the Celsius scale and 212 degree on the Fahrenheit scale. You can see both of the scales on the sides of the liquid in the glass tube. Any temperature on the Celsius scale which is less than that of melting ice 0 degree is written with a minus sign. Nothing can get colder than minus 273 degrees Celsius. This temperature is called absolute zero. The normal temperature for the human body is 37 degrees Celsius, 98.7 degree Fahrenheit. There are markings along the sides of glass tube of the thermometer, and these markings are called scale. You can see these are markings, and this is called a scale. Temperature is measured by reading these marks, and one mark is equal to 1 degree. There are two units that are used to measure temperature. First one is Celsius and second one is Fahrenheit. The Celsius scale is also called centigrade scale. When we measure temperature on Celsius scale, ice melts at 0 degree centigrade and water boils at 100 degree centigrade. While we measure temperature on Fahrenheit scale, ice melts at 32 degree Fahrenheit and water boils at 212 degree on the Fahrenheit scale. Temperature that is less than 0 degree centigrade is always written with minus sign. For example, minus 20 degree centigrade, minus 25 degree centigrade, and minus 273 degree centigrade temperature is called absolute zero because nothing can get colder than minus 273 degree centigrade. The normal human body temperature on Celsius scale is 37 degree and on Fahrenheit scale the normal human body temperature is 98.7 degree Fahrenheit. Last paragraph. When using a thermometer, handle it carefully and store it properly. Avoid touching the bulb. Never place the end of a thermometer in an open flame. Immediately inform an adult if a thermometer is damaged in any way. There are some precautions while using thermometer. First one, handle the thermometer carefully while using it and keep the thermometer in a safe place to avoid any damage. And never place a thermometer in an open flame. And if a thermometer is damaged in any way, inform your adults. Thank you so much.